Greetings and welcome to ILJ Luxury Handbags and another product demonstration with me, Rob Hills, the Chief Operating Officer, your host. And today I want to get directly into this. We're going to feature one of our most premium handbags, and it's called Product ID H126. I want you to take a look at this. I want you to take a look at the craftsmanship, the hardware that's on this particular bag. Beautifully Italian leather with feet. What's really cool about this particular bag is it does have the inscription of I Love Jesus on the very back. And obviously it has a beautiful patch design that comes with our trademark, our registered trademark logo that represents ILJ. But what's really cool about this particular bag is not only its durability, and ladies, you can see all of our handbags not only come with their beautiful design handles, but they all come with straps as well. But what's really cool about this particular bag is really what's on the inside of this bag. And let me show you why we call this one of our premium bags. You know, as we are a Christian products and apparel business, and we specialize in, high-end luxury, one of the things that we do to represent your faith, and where we like to coin the phrase in 2024, we said, this is where faith and fashion unite. On the interior of all of our bags, you'll actually see the words, I love Jesus. And it's everywhere on the interior. There are so many pockets inside of this bag. You also have the leather patch in there that says, I love Jesus. I'll see if I can give you a pretty good look at that. I love Jesus on the inside. So every time you open this bag, in any other pocket on the sides of this bag, that custom interior lining is in the side of this bag. The zipper quality on these bags is just unbelievable. Right? I love the gold accents on this particular bag. This is H126. And I'm going to do something special on H126. And I just want you to take a quick look. Man, love this kind of fashionable design, that little buckle design all the way across. This is a soft grain leather. Obviously, we import all of our leathers from Italy. So they're all 100% Italian leather. Love the craftsmanship and the hardware that's on this particular bag. It's just a beautiful bag. This is one that plays well. It doesn't matter, post fall, getting into the winter months. This is a beautiful bag for you to carry. And I just want to give you a beautiful look. Now, that bag retails for $350. That's a bargain considering the quality of that bag, considering, the aesthetics, the cool look of that particular bag. But today, as I said, in 2024, we're going to come on and we're going to introduce you to all of the ILJ products. And every time the COO of ILJ is on, I'm going to provide a discount. Now, I'll tell you something. Don't tell the CEO, right? No, I'm just joking. I actually got approval to extend any discounts on these particular handbags. I only have a limited quantity in H126. Again, let me show you that. A very limited quantity on H126. These bags will go on back order. This is probably one of our best-selling handbags that we have in our repertoire, to say that. But it's just beautiful, and I love the softness of this leather. And there's nothing like a fresh smell of leather. What I'm going to do today is, if you want H126, this bag retails for $350. I will take 30% off today if at checkout you use the code H126. Get 30% off. Now, if my math is not incorrect here, and I'm doing this on the fly, that's about $240 to $245. So a $350 value today, limited quantities, you guys, and probably the first 5 buyers of this bag, I can extend that discount to 30% off. That takes the bag from $350 to $240 to $245. Obviously, you have to pay, tax and shipping. But you take a $350 value all the way down to $245. That's almost $105 off that bag price. It's a fantastic deal. H126. I want to show you this bag one more time. Kind of gives you the scale on how big this bag actually is. Man, I really love the eclectic look. I'll show you the interior of the bag. So I think this is really, really cool. Everything on the inside of the bag that says, I love Jesus. Beautiful. There's a patch inside of that. Every time you open up an ILJ bag, it's different. It reminds you of your faith, we like to say in 2024, where faith and fashion unite. You can love Jesus, you can love fashion, and you can be fashionable. My name is Rob Hills. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of ILJ, and today we were reviewing product ID H126. If you want this bag today and you want to get 30% off, that's a $350 value for $245 less tax and shipping. At checkout, in the code, put H126 and you get a 30% discount. God bless you folks, and stay tuned for the next beautiful handbag from ILJ. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of ILJ. My name is Rob Hills, and I look to see you on our website, and I look to see a beautiful handbag. And guys, we haven't forgotten about you. The next set of videos will be talking about all the cool briefcases that I carry personally from ILJ. God bless you folks, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.